Ping bears double billing in Taguig infrastructure projects. Ito po yung article ng Philstar Global. So, ayun, may nakitang nag-double billing. Dalawang bayad ang natagpuan dito sa isang project lamang. Naku po, aray ko. Basahin natin itong article nito. Senator Panfilo Lacson yesterday released what he described as new evidence of alleged double billing and collection involving infrastructure projects in Taguig, saying the documents would turned over to the Office of the Ombudsman or presented in a Senate investigation. Naku po! Sino ba yung tiga-Taguig na yan na mukhang mahatulan ng Office of the Ombudsman? At sasampahan siya ng reklamo doon. Sino kaya yon? In a post on X, Lacson said, two separate infrastructure projects with different appropriations, contractors, technical descriptions, and location allegedly use the same photograph for billing purposes despite both projects having already been paid. Hala! Bakit naman pareho yung photograph nito? So nadoble ang bayad ng isang proyekto kahit magkaiba yung appropriations, yung mga contractor, ganyan. Pero iisa lang ang bayad. Naging dalawa yung bayad pero iisa lang yung project. Anyari. He also said that a single slope protection project or single slope protection project received two separate budget appropriations and that both had been billed and collected. Eto pa yung isa dyan. Isa lang yung project pero magkaiba yung budget at yung magkaibang budget na yon ay nabigyan ng budget. Nabayaran na po mga kaibigan. Isang project lang pero dalawa yung bayad. Sana ganun din sa trabaho, no? Isa lang yung ginawa mo pero doble yung bayad. Sana lang. Kaya napatanon si Senator Ping Lacson ng, are these not criminal acts? Oh. Nako, may makakasuhan ng criminal liability. Sino kaya yan? The senator said the latest findings add to the evidence his office has gathered on alleged anomalous infrastructure projects in Taguig. The political bailiwick, ito na, sino kaya yon? Of Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano. Ayun siya naman pala. Mukhang ayan. Yun yung pwesto niya, nasa Taguig daw siya dati. So baka sa kanya yung nagiging kaso na yan. Langyayin. Nagkaroon na ng awayan dun sa loob eh. So ayun, magkasuhan na kayo dyan. In a separate post on Saturday night, Lacson said a person's character is tested when his integrity is questioned, adding that those who believe they are innocent should stand their ground instead of yielding to accusations. So parang sinasabi nito na kung dinatest daw integridad mo, harapin mo. O kung naniniwala kang inosente ka, bigyan mo ng ebidensya na inosente ka, hindi yung mga akusa ka rin, di ba? Yun eh. Lacson has previously said his scrutiny of the alleged anomalous Taguig project stemmed from his efforts to explain the increase in his net worth following remarks made by Cayetano. So nagkaroon ng bangayan online pala tong dalawa. Well, may nag-imbestiga na dahil dyan at mukhang may makakasuhan at masasampulan ng ombudsman. Makikita natin yan sa mga susunod na araw. Ito sabi ni Lacson, ito sabi niya, this is not about friendship or personal fights. This is about accountability. So, pagiging accountable ang hinahabol dito ni Ping Lacson, hindi yung away nilang dalawa. Dapat maging accountable nga lahat naman ng politiko na may pwesto dito sa, hindi lang basta senador o presidente, kahit yung mga lower, dapat maging accountable tayo kasi naman, di ba, may mga nababalita tayo na kung ano-anong mga pinagagawa ng mga maliliit na yan. Anyway, mga kaibigan, ano po masasabi nyo dito sa paglalantad ni Ping Lacson na may double billing sa mga infrastructure projects sa Taguig? Comment down below!